Struggling with dull, dry skin this winter? Discover the must-have beauty ingredients that hydrate, nourish, and leave your skin glowing all season long. Shea Butter. Shea Butter's rich fatty acids and vitamins restore moisture to dry, cracked skin. Its anti-inflammatory properties soothe irritation, making it a winter essential for soft, smooth skin. Coconut Oil. Coconut oil forms a protective barrier on the skin, preventing moisture loss. Its antibacterial properties also keep your skin healthy and free from winter breakouts. Aloe Vera. Aloe vera is a natural moisturizer packed with antioxidants. It calms irritated skin, repairs damage, and provides hydration without leaving a greasy residue. Perfect for the chilly months. Honey. Honey locks moisture into the skin while fighting bacteria. Its natural enzymes brighten the skin, helping combat the dullness caused by winter's harsh, dry air. Vitamin E Oil. Vitamin E oil helps repair damaged skin cells and reduce dryness. An NIH study highlights its antioxidant properties, which protect the skin from environmental damage during winter. Rosehip Oil. Rosehip oil is rich in vitamins A and C, promoting collagen production. It fades scars, hydrates deeply, and gives your skin a natural glow even in cold weather. Oatmeal. Oatmeal contains anti-inflammatory compounds that relieve dry, itchy skin. Its gentle exfoliating properties remove dead skin cells, leaving your skin feeling smooth and revitalized. Study findings. Natural ingredients like shea butter, vitamin E, and rosehip oil ensure healthy, radiant skin, according to the National Institutes of Health (NIH). Research supports the role of antioxidants in skincare. Nourish your skin with nature's best for a radiant winter. Consult a dermatologist for personalized advice. If you liked this video, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more deliciously healthy tips.